Welcome to this explainer video on the Kyndly seller dashboard. In this video, each step of the dashboard will be explained, and it will become clear how simple and user-friendly the system is. Step 1. Go to seller.kyndly.nl and log in to your account using the email address and password you provided on the registration form. Good to know. At this point, it is not possible to log in to the seller dashboard on mobile devices. If you have trouble logging in, please try a different browser. Step 2. This step is crucial as it enables us to pay you. Navigate to Setting in the menu on the left and enter your PayPal email address. This must be the email you use to log in to your PayPal account. Don't have a PayPal account yet? You can create one for free and link it to your business bank account, allowing payouts to be transferred directly to your bank account. After the onboarding process, which we will take care of for you, go to Products and then click on Products to view your listed items. Here you can also add new products or edit existing ones if necessary. For example, when a product is out of stock. Please note, any changes made to a product must first be approved by us. During this approval process, the product will be temporarily unavailable in the webshop. To add a new product, click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Then fill in the required product information in each window. In window 2, Images, upload your product photos. Make sure each image is no larger than 5 megabytes and that the file names contain only letters and numbers. Once everything is filled in and the product images are uploaded, click on Create at the bottom. No need to worry about whether everything is perfect. We check each new product before it goes live in the store. Need help? Simply click on the Need Help in the top right corner of your dashboard. To edit an existing product, go to the product screen, select Action and click on Edit. For example, you can adjust the stock levels. If a product or a variant, such as a specific size, is no longer available, this can be edited under the Options and Inventory window. For instance, if the white t-shirt in size S is sold out, click on Edit, set the inventory to 0 and click Save at the bottom. The product will then no longer appear as available in the storefront. You can also place a product on sale by entering a discount amount or percentage under the Discount section. Don't forget to click Save to apply any changes. You've received an order via Kyndly. Congratulations! You will have received an email from us. Make sure to add info@kyndly.nl to your list of trusted senders to prevent emails from landing in your spam folder. Here's what to do step by step after a product is sold. Log into your dashboard. Go to the Orders tab in the left-hand menu. Find the corresponding order. Select the courier you wish to use. And enter the tracking code and URL. Click Save. Select the order and click the green Print Packing Slip button to download the packing slip. Include this in the shipping package. Slide the toggle to the right to mark the order as fulfilled. Make sure all details are correct. This cannot be changed afterwards. The customer will now receive a shipping confirmation, and you may proceed to ship the parcel. Payouts, minus commission and transaction fees, are processed and transferred to you at the end of each month. Under Seller, Accounting, you can view all your payouts and commissions. Here, you can also download invoices as PDF files for your own bookkeeping. Under Payouts, you will find an overview of all payments that have been made to you. According to European legislation, consumers are entitled to a 14-day cooling off period for most goods. If the product is unopened, unused, and in perfect condition, the same condition in which it was sent, a customer has the right to return it for a full refund. If a return request is submitted, Kyndly will contact you. Once you have received the product back in good condition, Kyndly will ensure the customer is refunded the full amount. Thank you for watching this video and for your interest in becoming a Kyndly seller. Should you have any questions, feel free to contact us at helpdesk@kyndly.nl. We're happy to assist.